Welcome back, fellow coffee connoisseurs, to Coffee Chronicles, your go-to YouTube channel for everything coffee. Today, we take you on a delightful journey to the heart of Italy, exploring a little coffee secret that packs a powerful punch, the Ristretto. The Ristretto, also known as the short shot, is the more intense and concentrated cousin of espresso. It's made with the same amount of coffee but half the water, resulting in a stronger and more robust flavor. While the precise origin of the Ristretto remains ambiguous, it's known that it was born out of the Italian coffee culture of seeking more concentrated, full-bodied shots of coffee. Pulling a perfect Ristretto is a delicate dance. It demands precision, skill, and a keen understanding of coffee. The process is about fine-tuning the grind, adjusting the pressure, and most importantly, timing the pour. Interestingly, in Italian, Ristretto means restricted, and this restriction here refers to the brewing time. A Ristretto typically stops pouring at about 15 seconds, whereas a regular espresso might run for 20 to 30 seconds. Now, onto the flavor. A Ristretto has a pronounced intensity and a syrupy body. By cutting the extraction short, we minimize the bitter compounds, which results in a sweeter and more balanced coffee shot. Here are a few facts you might not know about Ristretto. Did you know that the shorter extraction process allows more of the delicate aromatic compounds to come forward, providing a more complex aroma than an ordinary espresso? Some aficionados describe detecting notes of chocolate, caramel, and even floral tones in a well-pulled Ristretto. And while Ristretto might be strong in flavor, it actually contains less caffeine than a standard espresso, thanks to the shorter extraction time. There you have it, coffee lovers, the petite yet powerful Ristretto. It's a testament to the depth and richness of coffee, and a beloved secret of Italian cafes. If you've enjoyed our journey into the world of Ristretto, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Coffee Chronicles for more caffeinated adventures. Until next time, keep brewing.